Hey everybody, welcome back to an unexpected video. My GE washer here is about 3 years old, out of warranty, and as of today it starts a cycle for about 4 minutes, 3-4 minutes, and then it stops the cycle. I try to rinse and spin, same thing, and in the end it showed door on the display, which obviously indicates maybe an issue with the door lock. I know there's a replacement part for this here. I'm assuming it doesn't read the door status correctly, because the door itself is properly locked. This is a GFW550. I just ordered a part that might arrive tonight. For now I want to get to the replacement and remove it. So I thought maybe just take you along the ride to see how it is. I just noticed I can't really get to it from the back. This is the drum here. It looks like I need to take the gasket out. So typically a washer has there it is. There's like a spring that goes around the drum here. And I'll probably have to pull that. I certainly have to pull this out somehow to pull a part of the gasket away so I can get behind it. So I'm gonna see how that turns out. Okay, I just put up the phone here on a tripod, and I'm gonna kind of peek around here to see. Oh, here it is. So I can feel it, can't really see it. I'm gonna try to take the camera down there. Here you can see it now on the camera. Here's the spring that keeps the tension on that spring ring, if you will. So there are two here. There are these two little hooks. I'm gonna take a screwdriver and pry in there and pull the whole ring out. I hope it's that easy. I'm already worried about getting it back in. But I can't wash right now anyway, so what's the harm? Here comes. So out was easy. Okay. Yep, and this is late. I'm gonna have to find a way. This is pretty tight to feed that back. Now I should be able to pull this out a little bit. There you go. Okay. Now I can get my hand in here and get to the back of this panel. Let me turn the camera a little bit. I can't see all those flatheads or Phillips. They're Phillips head screws. At least it looks like this part comes out easy. And I've already ordered this. Fortunately, one of the big online retailers has it for same-day delivery, so it might arrive tonight. I don't know if it's gonna be still time for me to fix it, but at least tomorrow I can get to work then. Alright. One. And here two more screws apparently. I hope nothing falls off in the back. And this time, at this point, I just want a quick fix. I don't really feel like buying a new washer. Not only is it expensive, it also always is a hassle to move an old one out, new one in. So here I can reach this now. There's a little plastic hook. You can just lift this apparently. Yep. And pull it back. And here it is. Oh, that's neat. This is not soldered on or anything. This is just a plug. Question is how to release the plug. Okay, there's a little lever here. I press on that, I think it releases. Yep, there we go. Okay, fits only one way, so no risk here. This is the part, and I hope that is the same number I ordered. I looked it up by the model number, but from what I saw in the picture, it looks the same. So I'm not really sure what's going on here. If it's a sensor maybe. But this part is, I ordered it for $49. Definitely better than $800 for a washer. So I hope that is it. So I'll be back when the part's here. Alright, I just got the replacement part. Took only a few hours. And I'm going to do the same thing backwards. And my biggest concern is getting that spring back around the seal, the door seal. So the part's exactly identical. Plug goes in. Plug goes in this way. Oh wait, what? My glasses. It should be this way, I think. There it is, plugged in. And this goes back here. Hook it in, just like before. The screws back in. Okay, now comes the hard part. Getting that door seal back in. So first I want to make sure that this lip here really slips on that bent edge here, because that's where that ring with the spring gets the grip here. Okay. No, not okay yet. Okay, now that's okay. Alright. So the trick's gonna be, I need to pull this around. I need to give it enough slack here that I can feed it all around here. I'm gonna try to put it on here for as much as I can, and then I'm gonna hook my screwdriver here on one of these and try to pull it apart. So wish me luck, everybody. That's not good here. We gotta be really careful. As soon as you start moving around the seal, it keeps popping off of the edge here. Excuse my whiny cat in the background. Okay. I'm gonna try to get a grip here. Hold this. Hold this apart. Actually, I think it works better with my hands. Still the best tool, your hands. Okay. Oh, that wasn't as difficult as I thought. Nice. All right. Well, that's back in. Now put the cover back on. And I hope this was actually the cause of it. The only indication was that the display said door. And since the door was locked, I don't know what else to do. So it's a little bit of a gamble here. Okay, that's back together. Okay. Close this and run a rinse and spin to see what's happening. Been going for 2 minutes now. This is about the time when soon it used to stop. On the good side, there is definitely water's pumping. There's water in, it's not running out, so I did the seal right. And then at minute 17, 16 or so, it stopped this warning. Alright, I'll pause here and come back when I have anything to report. This is not good. It ran again for 4 or 5 minutes. Now it doesn't say door anymore, it says end now. Obviously I've checked the filter, I've checked the drain. That is not causing it. Now a little bit at a loss.